Hello, welcome to Math Review for Thursday, February the 11th. We have a graph here of temperature change. It shows temperature in degrees Fahrenheit and time along the bottom. Okay, so we go from 5 o'clock in the morning until 8 o'clock at night. The temperature in degrees Fahrenheit goes from 0 degrees all the way up to 60 degrees. Use the graph to determine which statement is true. So we're going to read each of these statements and look at the chart to see, look at the graph to see if it's a true or a false statement. The first one, the temperature increased, increase means go up, from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So I can't do this, Ms. McEvoy. There's no 1 p.m. on this graph. Do I know where 1 would be? If this is 11 a.m., then there'd be 12, then there'd be 1, and then there'd be 2. So 1 p.m. is going to be between these two sections. So if I'm going from, let's say, here to here, did the temperature increase? Did the graph go up? No, it remained the same. So this is a false statement. It remained the same. Let's look at B. The temperature stayed the same, which means it's going to be a flat line, from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I can't do that one either because there's no 3. It doesn't matter. Here's 2, here's 5. 3 is going to be in between them. Did the temperature stay the same? Is it a flat line between where the 2 and the 5 are? It decreases. Okay, it's decreasing. So this is also a false statement. Let's look at the third one. The temperature stayed the same, which means it's going to be a flat line, from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Here's 11 a.m. 1 p.m. is going to be right in front of 2 p.m. Did the line remain flat? Did it stay the same? Yes, it did. This is a true statement. Now notice how I write false or true at each one. I'm not going to try to remember. What did I say the first one was? Oh, maybe it was true. Write it down. It doesn't take that long to do. And then you make sure you get the right answer. Here we go for the last one. The temperature stayed the same from 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. So I want to make sure I'm looking at that a.m. there. From 5 a.m., 10 a.m. is going to be in front of this. Is the temperature staying the same? Is it a flat line from 5 until where 10 would be? No, it's increasing. So that's a false statement. Now, because I took the time to write either true or false for each one of these, I can tell which statement is true. Statement C is the true statement. So if you're taking a test on the computer, you can write this down on your scratch paper, or there's usually a pencil tool on the screen that you can use to write an F or a T while you're doing it. You could even redraw these lines so that you could see them better. Okay, it's totally up to you. You could be circling things on the screen. Okay, use what they give you. Draw on it if you need to. Make some marks on it if you need to. It's okay to do that. That's going to help you get the correct answer. Just like when I drew increase, I drew that little arrow up. When everything was staying the same, I drew a flat line because I wanted to know, oh, it's going to be a flat line. That's how you're going to make sure you get the correct answer. If you have any questions, please contact me.